In Nirvana Solar, what we are trying to promote is not just photovoltaics, but we promote solar thermal concentrators, hydrogen fuel cells, as well as micro wind turbines. Where possible to bring in hybrid systems. Right now in the state of Karnataka, we have no policy to tie wind turbine to the grid, but right now we are just having solar photovoltaics, but in the future we are expecting that wind energy also to be tied to the grid as a hybrid system. So in near future we are expecting that Nirvana Solar will be creating a hybrid system with solar photovoltaics as well as wind turbine, but the solar thermal concentrators will be independent in a same location in order to create energy locally and consume locally. The aggregate or the cumulative energy creation through solar thermal concentrator, solar photovoltaics, wind turbine will provide energy source to the site, and whatever is consumed locally, and then excess is sent to the grid. Thereby every installer will become an energy creator, consumer, and a distributor. This is the future in India and in the world, where energy becomes a predominant necessity, and it will not reach obsolescence like other fields. So it is actually forecasted by many business leaders that the three domains will remain evergreen, that is energy, coding, and life sciences. So Nirvana Solar is trying to capitalize on this future forecast. That is a great possibility for us to grow as energy entrepreneurs. In my background, what you see is a solar thermal concentrator. Nirvana Solar promotes solar photovoltaics, solar thermal energy system, as well as hydrogen fuel cell, as well as wind turbines. So we're trying to harness energy from whatever renewable resources that are available in our area. The whole idea is generate and consume energy locally and depend less on the grid. So this particular concentrator is a conversion of C-band television antenna. I brought this and converted this into a thermal concentrator. I use this for cooking quite a lot, and nowadays in Bangalore, being summer, our ambient temperature today is around 34 degrees, so I decided to set the solar cooker out and prepare a pizza for my lunch. And so right now there is a pizza cooking. So I created a dome effect for this pizza. There is a dosa tawa. On top of it there is a dish which is black in color. It gives a dome effect, so the pizza cooks on both the sides very well. This black tray is acting like a system where air is passed on the pizza through convection, keeping the heat in a dome, thereby enabling pizza to cook very well on both the sides. Finally, the pizza is out and it's done very well. This is totally homemade, right from pizza base, sourced locally, all the ingredients, and I'm gonna enjoy it for my lunch. So this is the effect of climate change. So there are two things we can do when it comes to climate change. We can keep complaining or use it for our benefit. Right now, climate change, where it's increasing the temperature globally, so I'm learning to use the temperature to create and use it for our living in an effective manner. So this is an example how we can adapt to climate change and not keep complaining, but doing something positive to change climate change. And until then, we can keep using various ways to cope with it.